Good afternoon students. Today we are going to see about Standard 2 Term 1 Subject Maths. Unit 5 Time. In this class we are going to learn about days of the week and seasons. Students, let us learn about days of the week. Answer the following. First question, which day comes 2 days after Monday? Which day comes 2 days after Monday? Which, W-H-I-C-H, which day, D-A-Y day, comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes, 2 days, D-A-Y-S, days, after, A-F-T-E-R, after, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, which day comes 2 days after Monday. Students, see this picture. Which day comes 2 days after Monday? Thursday. Which day comes 2 days after Monday? Thursday. So here write Thursday. What is the spelling of Thursday? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Next question. Next question. Which day comes 3 days after Wednesday? Which day comes 3 days after Wednesday? Which, W-H-I-C-H, which day, D-A-Y day, comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes, 3 days, D-A-Y-S, days, after, A-F-T-E-R, after, Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Which day comes 3 days after Wednesday? Students, see this picture. Which day comes 3 days after Wednesday? Sunday. So here write Sunday. What is the spelling of Sunday? S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Third question. Which day comes a day before Sunday? Which day comes a day before Sunday? Which, W-H-I-C-H, which day, D-A-Y day, comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes, yeah, day, D-A-Y day, before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before, Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Which day comes a day before Sunday? Students, see this picture. Which day comes a day before Sunday? Friday. So here write Friday. What is the spelling of Friday? F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Students, see the fourth question. Which day comes 2 days before Saturday? Which day comes 2 days before Saturday? Which, W-H-I-C-H, which day, D-A-Y day, comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes, 2 days, D-A-Y-S days, before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before, Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-T-A-Y, Saturday. Which day comes 2 days before Saturday? Students, see this picture. Which day comes 2 days before Saturday? Wednesday. So here write Wednesday. What is the spelling of Wednesday? W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Students, see the fifth question. Which day comes 3 days before Friday? Which day comes 3 days before Friday? Which, W-H-I-C-H, which day, D-A-Y day, comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes, 3 days, D-A-Y-S days, before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before, Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Which day comes 3 days before Friday? Students, see this picture. Which day comes 3 days before Friday? Monday. So here write Monday. What is the spelling of Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. MONDAY, Monday. Students, see this picture. Here tabular column given. Observe and fill in the table. Observe and fill in the table. First one, art and graph. Art and graph conducted on which day? Tuesday. So here write Tuesday. What is the spelling of Tuesday? TUESTAY. Tuesday. TUESTAY. Tuesday. Next, drama. Drama conducted on which day? Wednesday. So here write Wednesday. What is the spelling of Wednesday? WEDNESDAY. Wednesday. Next one, computer. Computer conducted on which day? Thursday. So here write Thursday. 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 Next, singing. Singing conducted on which day? Monday. Singing conducted on which day? Monday. So here write Monday. 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 Next one, yoga. Yoga conducted on which day? Friday. So here write Friday. What is the spelling of Friday? FRIDAY. 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 Students, let us learn about seasons. Seasons mean changes in weather condition after every few months. Do you know how many seasons are in a year? There are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. In India we have only 3 seasons. There are summer, rainy and winter. Let us learn about summer season. In the month of March, April, May and June are the summer month. In summer, the temperature is very high. In summer, children go on holidays with their families. During summer season, days are longer and nights are shorter. In this season, we drink lot of fresh juices and tender coconut. We wear cotton clothes and sunglasses. During summer season, people enjoy eating various kind of fruits like mango, watermelon, grapes, cucumber, etc. to get relief from heat. After the summer season, we have rainy season. In a month of July, August, September and October, in rainy season, we have heavy rainfall and heavy wind blowing. If you want to go out in rain, we should carry umbrella. In the rainy season, we use colorful umbrellas and raincoats. We can see rainbow on a rainy day. We also clothing like caps, gloves, boots, sweaters, etc. to keep us warm. In rainy season, we like to eat such as samosa, fried corn, pakoda, soups, veg roll and ginger tea. Students, let us learn about winter season. Winter season comes after the rainy weather. In this time, the weather remains cool. People wear warm clothes. And we make fire camps also. In the winter season, the air is cool and fresh. In the season, days are shorter, nights are longer. We like to sit in the sun. We wear woolen clothes like sweater, shawls, scarf and muffler to keep us warm. We like to drink black coffee, tea and soups and it feels amazing during winter. It is a season for healthy favorite foods like guava, papaya and kiwi, etc. Thank you, students.